Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix unable to turn off do not disturb on iPhone. So guys, if you're using any iOS device and you have turned on do not disturb on your iPhone, and when you want to turn it off then unable to turn off or not be able to turn off this mode, I'll help you how to fix this problem. So let's get started without wasting any time. So guys, firstly you have to turn off from here control center. So guys, if it is not working, no need to worry, you have to open your settings. And guys, from here is the tab of focus, you have to click on this. And guys, after this, now you will see here is the off tab of do not disturb, you have to click it. And guys, now you need to scroll it below. And guys, now you can see it is on in my iPhone. So guys, how can you off this? You can easily off this from here. So guys, here is the option of focus status, you have to click on this. And guys, from here is the option of do not disturb. So guys, you have to turn off it from easily. So guys, if it is also not working, as you can see, when I am going to turn it off, it is not off from here, as you can see here. So guys, now you have to go back. So guys, after going to back, you need to scroll it down, click on general, scroll it down. And guys, you have to reset your settings only. So guys, by reset your settings only, automatic your do not disturb mode will be turned off. And guys, after doing this, you have to check for update of iOS version. So guys, if you have any kind of update here, you need to update your iPhone to latest iOS version. And guys, after this, your problem will be fixed. So guys, this is the video. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.